Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Enid and Wednesday's window in their dorm room. So I always thought this window was really cool. Half of it really symbolizes Wednesday's style and the other half really symbolizes Enid's style. So let's see if we can draw it. We're going to start with a circle. My circle is certainly looking very sketchy. You could always find a round object and just trace the bottom of it. And it'll probably take you a lot less time to do that than me drawing a circle on my page. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to draw a line coming down the middle. All right, next we're going to draw a line going down the middle the other way. Like that. So one line going down the middle and then another line going across the middle. All right, so next thing we're going to do is in each section, so say we've got 4 quarters here, we got our circle divided into 4 quarters, and we are going to do 1, 2, 3 different lines. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. So now one of our quarters is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 different parts. So now we're going to do this same thing with these other parts. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3 lines. And we're going to do the same in the other spots. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So, not perfect, but that's fine. All right, we're not quite done yet. So next we're going to do a circle here. Okay, and after that we are going to do kind of like a web situation. So I'm gonna go like that. So I'm gonna be connecting 2 parts and I'm gonna go through one of these parts and it's gonna be like a swoopy kind of piece of a web. So I'm gonna do that again, swooping, connecting this part to this part and going straight on through one piece. Like that. And I'm just going to keep doing that. And one more. Okay. So now next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do okay, so where I did this swoopy kind of line, a little bit above, I'm just going to do a straight line. And I'm going to do that all the way around. Now, I guarantee it, if you guys at home doing this are, if you're using a ruler and your circle is actually a circle and you've got your lines straight and nicely divided, I bet this would look a lot better. But just having fun with this right now. So I didn't feel like I really needed a ruler or anything. Just having fun. But if you really want to make yours look a lot more like the window they have in the show, then you might want to use a ruler and take your time a little bit more. But mine is a bit more of a sloppy version. Okay, so now I'm going to do another one of these like swoopy kind of motions, but it's going to be above the straight lines that we just did. Like that. And we're going to do that the whole way around. And I'm turning my page because it kind of helps me as I'm going around like this. Okay. All right, so the next part that we're going to do now is we're going to start way up here at these very points. So let's see, I'm going to come on down like right here and then come on up. All right, and now I'm going to do that all the way around. Okay, and now we're going to do another kind of swoop like that all the way around. So this window really just looks like a great big spider web. Okay, now we're going to do one more little swoop like that all the way around. Okay, so that's it for the drawing, and now I'm going to add color. All right, so we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day and hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, folks, goodbye.